Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to set alphanumeric password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, in your tablet, just go to these settings. Go to settings, then go to security here, and here select screen lock and click on password. Now you can set a password of your choice, that is combination of letters or numbers, that is called alphanumeric password. So here just I type alphanumeric password Mickey 17 and click on next. Again you have to type the same password to verify. So I have typed again Mickey 17 and click on confirm. Yes. Now click on done. Alphanumeric password has been set in my tablet. Now check, lock your tablet and try to unlock. It will ask your alphanumeric password. So give the alphanumeric password to unlock tablet. That is Mickey 17 in my case. And click on enter. That is tick mark, and it is unlocked. So in this way we can easily set a alphanumeric password of your choice in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.